The GoPro Hero 7 and its battery. Yes, that's what we're talking about today. Look at this. And since I have the DJI Osmo Action at hand, and I catch myself more and more often using that camera instead of this GoPro Hero 7, you may ask why. Why do you do that? Well, I can easily explain that. I like the larger screen better, I like the buttons better, and I can basically count on the camera when it has to turn on when I need it. The GoPro here, on the other hand, is always a gamble in regards to its battery charge. Often it just doesn't turn on. And at this point, I would like to give a shout out to the Fish, who has quite a few videos on the GoPro and its accessories. And I recommend for you to click here in the upper right corner on the info button there to get a link to his channel and go and visit there. He also talks about this, that some people have this problem. And now let's get to the point of this video and let's turn on my GoPro camera. It has been laying around for, I think, there was like 3 weeks now. And let's see how this goes. I mean, here it is, and I'm just going to turn this on, and then we see, does it turn on or not, right? Okay, so I push the button. Oh, how is that? So now it turns on, just because I wanted to show you how bad it is. Well, this time it worked. Maybe the last update, the firmware update to version 1.90, I believe it was. Maybe that fixed the battery drain issue, or we just got lucky today. Very much possible. I mean, it could have went the other way around. 3 weeks, and it turns on. The Osmo Action is there way better, and even though I have to admit here 97%, that the other day I had a glitch where I was at the Statue of Liberty, and I tried to film from the boat, and it showed a message that the battery is about at 0% charge, and it turned off. But then, as I turned it back on, it was at 80% charge, and now that was just a software glitch and not a dead battery. Here I often have a dead battery, but okay. So, what can I say? It turned on because it knows it's been filmed. If you don't have the camera on and if you need it, it won't work. But okay, so that's what it is. Yeah, poor little thing. The last firmware update maybe fixed it. It's possible, very much possible. Alright, so I need to keep this video short, and I wish you all happy holidays and a great upcoming new year in 2020. And please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button on my channel here, and I hope you enjoyed this short video.